Welcome to Fron Farm, and as you can see, you're instantly greeted with amazing scenery and farm animals as soon as you arrive. Let's go into Fron Farm. And as you come into the farm, it's all clearly signposted which way to go, and this is one of the things I love about a farm site, is you instantly got access to animals like these. Hello. Hello. You're wondering what the hell I want. And then there's where you stop to check in the office just there, with a very well stocked shop, gifts and games for the kids that you can buy, fresh produce, eggs and stuff. And then down here is where they keep all the animals. I'll just take you down here now to have a look at them. There you go, there's some of the cows. Mike's love this with all the animals. To be honest, it's all I. And here we have another one of the farmyard animals. What? What? Hello, gorgeous. Hello. I think there's another one down there. What are you eating there? Oh, come on, I don't think you can eat that. Another good thing for the kids in there, you got table tennis and a pool table. Somewhere for the kids to go, something for them to do. Great site this for the kids. So they can all hang around in there rather than getting on your nerves. Look at these things. Look at them. How cute are they? Hello. Hello, gorgeous. Hello. How could you not fall in love with these? And we did have some chickens here, but I think they've all gone in. There's a load of them, but they've all gone in. Typically, when I come and film, they've all gone in. Never mind. Background at reception. And when you bought an ice cream in there, you can go over and sit in a little picnic area and eat your ice cream. It's a really well stocked shop. Even you can buy a few games and things for the kids. Everything you need. And then coming into the site through the barrier, which I think closes at 10:30. Key code. There you go, into the main site. There's 2 shower blocks and 2 playgrounds. It did get fairly busy over this weekend, with it being the Easter weekend and the weather was great, so it was quite busy, but as you can see now it's really quiet. There's 2 shower blocks, there's this one, and then behind those trees up there there's another more modern one. This really has only got a couple of urinals, a toilet and 1 shower in, but it was very hot and clean. There's this playground, and then there's one further up there by the other shower block. So 2 shower blocks. That one up there is more modern. 2 playgrounds, so there's absolutely loads for the kids to do. They shouldn't get bored. There's fire points placed everywhere. Dishwashing facilities. They could do with a bit of a tidy up there, to be honest, but Elson Point. But it's the views up here, and there's a massive dog walking field which I'll just take you up to now. It's very nice. in every section of the site, so it's easy to get in even on a wet day. Just here there's a little dog exercise area which is completely unenclosed and fenced in, as you can see, but obviously it's a working farm, so there are certain areas which they don't want you to go near. Obviously the storage yard and all the farm related machinery, they want you to stay away from that for obvious reasons. But there's your little dog exercise area. And the one thing that Claire and I have loved, because we've had 2 dogs, is this section here. This huge, massive field to walk the dogs in. And this view's been nice to come and admire. So as you can see, this field's huge. So there's plenty of exercise space. Oh, look at the rabbit just down there. Oh, first one I've seen all weekend. Anyway, so there you go. I'm going to miss this view when we go home tomorrow. I just wish it could have been a bit more in-depth site reviewing, but I don't like going in toilets and things with my camera in case someone walks in. I feel a little bit uncomfortable, but they're all kept clean, all tidy. Like I say, the little shower room probably could do with a bit of updating a little bit, and the pot wash could do with updating, and a lick of paint and a bit of creosote on the wood bit. But other than that, I love this site. So let's make our way back up there. Well, there you go. That's just a little walk round of Fron farm. We've stayed here for, this will be our 4th night, and we've loved every minute of it. I just hope you found this a little bit useful. Would I recommend this site? I would, yeah. I'd give it 4 out of 5. Just a couple of things that probably could do with updating. Like I say, I don't like going in the showers and the toilets recording in there in case people walk in or there's already someone in there. I don't really like doing that, but the big shower block is a lot more modern than this one we had access to just here. That could probably do with a bit of an update and a bit of a lick of paint, and where the pot wash outside, they probably could do with a bit of creosote on the wooden bit underneath. But apart from that, the site's clean and tidy. So it's been a busy weekend, but we've loved every minute of it. Mike's even enjoyed it. Now everybody's gone home because of his autism. He doesn't like people watching him, and all, he feels like everybody's watching him. So he's had a little play around the empty field, and it's been great walking the dogs in the big field, and I don't think we can fault it. So other than a few little niggly things, would I recommend Fron Farm? Definitely. Put it on your list of places to come and visit. We've gone up Mole Arthur. We've visited a couple of castles, but we've had a relaxing time at the same time too. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra.